Welcome to our tutorial on creating contacts in Tracmor. Whether you're adding a new client, vendor, or partner, Tracmor makes it simple. First, let's explore the two easy methods to get started. Method 1. Click on the Contact button at the top of your dashboard and select Create Contact from the drop-down menu. Method 2. Alternatively, on the left side of your screen, you can find the Contact tab. Click on it, then select Create Contact from the drop-down. Once you're on the contact creation page, simply fill in the required fields such as company name, address, first name, and last name. If the company or address isn't in the system yet, don't worry. You can add them on the spot by clicking the plus icon and entering the details. After filling out all necessary information, just hit the Save button, and voila! Your contact is now added to Tracmor. Now, let's see where our new contact lands. In the contact list, you'll find your freshly added contact. Need to make changes? No problem. Simply click on the contact, hit Edit, make your adjustments, and hit Save to update the information. And there you have it. Creating and managing contacts in Tracmor is as easy as that. Thanks for watching.